Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to query data in AWS DynamoDB table. Now I will first of all use the AWS Management Console to query the data, and then I will use the AWS CLI to query the data. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal. I will go to my DynamoDB. And then I will click on tables. These are my two tables that I have created. I'm going to click on music. And then I'm going to click on items. And then in the drop down menu, you see these actions. I'm going to hold on. Here, you see the option which says query. I'm going to click on query. And for the partition key, I'm going to enter the value as acme space band. I'm going to choose start search. Here it is. You see the result here? Choose the result as the acme band. Right, so this is how you would do from the AWS Management Console. Let me just fire up command prompt to use the CLI. Okay, I'm going to paste the command here. Give me 1 minute. And now to run my CLI commands, I'm going to launch Ubuntu that I installed so that I can run the CLI commands on the Linux subsystem that I have installed on my Windows 10 laptop. So let it configure and then I'm going to run the commands. Okay, it is. I have copied the command here. I'm going to hit enter. It says I have to specify the region. No time AWS configure. Oh, I have to do that again. Okay, so this time I'm doing it again, but next time I'll save this profile. So let me do it and I'll come back. Okay, I specified everything. I'm going to hit enter. And I got the result. This is how you query using CLI. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.